In this video, we'll walk through how to connect Outgrow to Google Analytics so you can better track your leads and optimize your interactive content performance. Whether you're creating quizzes, surveys, or calculators, integrating Outgrow with Google Analytics is a game changer for understanding user behavior and improving your marketing strategies. Stick with me till the end because I'll also show you a bonus feature that you can leverage to maximize your results. Now, Outgrow is a versatile platform that allows you to create interactive content. From personalized quizzes to ROI calculators, it's a powerful tool to drive engagement on your website or landing pages. However, the true power of Outgrow comes when you can track the performance of this content within Google Analytics. To connect Outgrow to Google Analytics, the first step is to open your Outgrow dashboard. Once there, navigate to the settings of your desired interactive content. From the settings page, look for the Analytics section. This is where you'll be able to input your Google Analytics tracking ID. It's important to note that this ID is available in your Google Analytics account. If you don't have it already, simply head over to Google Analytics, log in, and get your tracking ID from the admin section under Property Settings. Next, take the tracking ID you just copied and paste it into the Outgrow settings where it asks for the Google Analytics ID. Once you've done that, you're basically telling Outgrow to send data about user interactions directly to your Google Analytics account. This integration is seamless and easy, allowing you to start tracking metrics such as page views, engagement rates, and goal completions. Now that it's connected, let's talk about what you can do with this data. In Google Analytics, you'll see how users are engaging with your Outgrow content. You can track which questions they're answering, where they're dropping off, and even which conversion goals they're completing. This insight helps you optimize your quizzes or surveys to better capture leads and drive conversions. For example, if you see a significant drop-off on a particular question, it might be time to rephrase it or make it more engaging. Or if you notice a certain type of content performs better with specific audiences, you can use that information to tailor your future campaigns. By tracking conversions in Google Analytics, you'll also get a better understanding of how well your interactive content is turning leads into customers. What's even better is that you can set up specific goals in Google Analytics to track when someone completes your quiz or hits a specific outcome in your calculator. These goals will allow you to measure the effectiveness of your interactive content in real time, so you can tweak it to improve your results. Before we wrap up, let me share something exclusive with you. You can actually try Outgrow for free using the link in the description below. Not only that, but with our exclusive bonuses, you'll be able to get even more out of the software and maximize your ROI, but make sure to stick around until the end because I'll explain how to take advantage of an extended free trial and get the most value from it. To summarize, connecting Outgrow to Google Analytics is straightforward. Grab your Google Analytics ID, paste it into Outgrow's settings, and start tracking the user interactions that matter most. This integration will help you optimize your content and boost conversions. If you're not using it yet, you're missing out on valuable insights. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link below for your exclusive access and start using Outgrow with Google Analytics today to supercharge your digital marketing efforts.